Hi, how are you doing? I'm here with this 2016 Toyota RAV4, and the oil's just been changed, and I'll show you how to reset the oil life right here on your display. You're going to end up using the steering wheel controls. This is the model that has the push to start button, so just be wary of that. What you're going to do is you're going to use the controller here, and you're going to need to press over to the right, and what you're looking for is this gear symbol here, okay? When you get to the gear symbol, you can just press down till you get to vehicle settings. Then you're going to use the center button here as the enter button, and you're going to enter into here, and it actually says scheduled maintenance. And it's pretty simple. Go ahead and press it again, and it'll ask you if you want to reset the data. And go up and hit yes. And that's it. It's that simple with this 2016 RAV4. If this information was useful, do me a favor and leave me a comment or hit that thumbs up button for me. Thank you.